Hello again. Hello, audio test, mic test. Hello. So again, hello, Jason here, and welcome to the part two of our Pokemon Platinum Nuzlocke. So before we start, let us review again the rules of Nuzlocke. So in Nuzlocke, when Pokemon paints, hindi mo siya mabuhi. And Ilonggish sila ining aton language. Apa ba English dugay? So first again, if the Pokemon dies, you cannot revive them. So either ibuyan nyo siya or ibalik nyo siya sa PC. And the second one is you can only catch one Pokemon per route. So kung makita mo na is bisan hindi mo siya gusto, dakpon mo na lang para mayara ka sang more upod sa team. And also next is you have to name your Pokemon. So ang main goal sini is para mas maging attached ka sa Pokemon mo, which is very dramatic. And next is palipat ako sa ika-apat na rule. Review ta. Nuzlocke rules. So yeah, basically tatlo lang gid ang rules ng Nuzlocke. So actually twice ko na nga try in this stream na perdi ako kay Barry sa first na fight. And yeah, medyo dula motivation mo once na perdi ka, but thank you Jaden Animations because na-inspire ako liwat mag-try Nuzlocke. And actually I'm not really expecting a lot of views of this in YouTube, but gusto ko lang siya i-document because someday if someone asks me na naka-try ka na Nuzlocke and I said yes, and I will show them this, yun if madaog. Okay, so this will be my first gym battle. So let us review our Pokemon lineup. So my main is Chimchar, which named Charm. Then the Zubat named Bruce. I guess you get the pun. And Tank, because Bidoof will be our tank, or the Death Father. But I really hope na wala gid may mapatay nga isa sa aton nga team. So, okay, talk to the people. You know, may istorya ako sa mga tao, sa mga NPC. Because mga things kang kaget sa ila like lore, or sometimes yatag sila items, or TMs. Pero wala na obray mo running shoes sa shoes ni Barry. Very fast di siya mag-move. Okay. Yep, I think I remember nga may underground mode ang Pokemon Platinum, and you can mine items. You mean shiny Pikachu? You know, sa pila ka years ko nga hampang Pokemon, never gid ko nakadakop shiny. As in, nakakagi-kontra shiny though sa Battle Frontier. See? Talk. Very creative. So, if it evolves sa Golduck, paano hay? Yellow Gapon. Wala ko microphone actually. Ang record sa audio is diretso lang sa phone. Because if I try to either use a wired nga earphones, if wired nga earphones, it will only record my audio I mean the system's audio, and if I use a Bluetooth earphones, ang i-record niya lang is ang akong voice. So actually try ko nga both itakod ang wire kag ang Bluetooth, but wala ko nawaisan akong phone. So I settled with this phone na lang record, and it also records a bit of the system sound. I think it has something to do with copyright. Okay, so before we go to the gym, check the items. Motion 6, Article 4. So, hindi na ito magbakal revive because it will be useless. Hindi pa siya magamit. So, I think, okay na pala yung tubig. Wait. Okay, we're good. Okay. So, I think I have to fight Barry first before taking on the gym. So, let's go, Barry. What? Yan. So, I think actually nasadyahan ko kung may mga muli because it's more experience para sa Pokemon. Museum, interesting. So, fun trivia about coal. Kagi nagdala si tatay ko coal puli sa balay. And in-expect naman na daw ano lang siya, actually daw uling. But when we tried to light it, hindi siya gali magsiga lang basta-basta. Dapat may certain level of heat gid para magbaga ang coal. And once it does, go self-sustaining na siya din after that. That's why nga namin siya nga source of electricity, and dugay siya maupos. So where's the entrance? Kataas ng inyong museum, wala sa second floor. Na ano man. I hope pati on ang system audio. Hinahinayan ko siya because last time yung nag-record ako, hindi gal ako bation. Ay puro lang system audio ang iya gina-record. So again, this is Route 207. So abiding sa Nuzlocke rule, whatever we find here first will be our Pokemon for this route. So wish me luck. I hope we find something good. Come on. Oh, nice. Not bad. Hey, Charm, don't kill it. Scratch, I think. Yep. Malawig yung away. So funny thing is, gamit siya sa nga mo move to weaken the power of electricity, but actually hindi mo siya madutlan. And the funny thing is, may mga episodes sa Pokemon that Pikachu uses electric type moves sa rock types. Which is, ew. Wala niya pinasunod in yung own rules. Thing about Geodude is need mo siya i-trade para mag-evolve to Golan. So, I'm not really going to focus kay Geodude because hindi ko siya mapa-evolve fully. Unlike a Crobat, na pwede mo siya mapa-evolve if you increase your friendship sa iya on a certain level. I think same with the Chansey. So, wala ta pa na-inspect ng building. Or, what did you say? Solo Pokemon ako? Yes, me too. So, isa pagid na actually sa though budlay pagid sa games because sa anime, tanan yung moves magamit nila or whatever na learn nila. Oh, see, may free Great Ball naman. So, whatever na learn nila sa una like tackle, they can still use and hindi limited sa apat ila moves. While sa games, always apat din. But I do hope na sa future games maka much free will na gid sa moves na itong Pokemon. And I'm so happy actually about sa Pokemon Sun and Moon. So, nahampang ko siya sa 3DS. Ang mga TMs and HMs are or can be used unlimited. So, kanami. So, usually, ang mga pwede talaga magamit sa una pero may is HM, but sa Pokemon Sun and Moon, tanan, pati TM, bisan many times ko siya gamitin. So, sa iba na games, So, sa iba na games, actually, sagid sa pinaka-nanugunan ko gamiton na TM sa sala na Pokemon is ang Dig. So, you really have to think kung sino mo hatag ang Dig. Because kung hatag mo siya sa sala na Pokemon, for example, lagi kong ginhatag ang Dig sa kay Marill. So, yeah. Kaya mag-learn Dig, but Dig is most effective gid sa electric types, and Marill is very vulnerable sa electric type. So, sala. So, one of the best Pokemon din na nagaan ko sa Dig is si Pikachu. Because since weakness ng electric type ang Dig, and kung electric type mo kontra mo, pwede mo pa-face sila si Pikachu, and then di sila effective sa akon while very effective ako sa ila. Givo. Encounter. Always do good, no? So, funny thing is, ang kuha ko si Chimchar, ban ko actually because I know, or usually sa mga formats ng games, ang first mo gid makakontra nga gym is rock type. Same with Emerald and Leaf Green. Actually, sa Emerald, medyo isagid sa pinakabudlay gid nga rock type gym is si Roxanne. Ang most pass siya may gunit. So, diri, actually, nakulbaan ko magpili kay Chimchar because muna, first na gym is rock type, but I was happy gid sang nag-try siya learn Mach Punch because one, the perks weakness na siya sa rock type of fighting, and also Mach Punch is like the quick attack of fighting types. So it always hits first card, plus my quick claw. Ma-equipped si Chimchar. And if ma-activate na, then sure na gid na first. So, kapatay ko mga random encounter because in Nuzlocke, mas better gid nga pauntan ng experience sa pwede mo makuha. Nice. So, medyo good na yun kung nakastack na isang defense curl ang mga rock types because ang only attack nga maka-effect sa ilang sa akon is Mach Punch and it's physical. So, kasi makot ang mga Jaden ang name sa akong character. Again, na-inspired. Wow! Panugon nga subat ako nung nakita. But, actually, hindi ko man siya ma-breed with Milo because in order man nga mag-evolve si Onyx to Steelix, need ko man siya trade holding the iron coat, I think. And also, sa move na speech namin because harshly fell with yung mga defense. So, balaan magiging nga siya ang gym leader, kailangan niya hairstyle. Dude, balaan ko na alin pa lip green. So, another trivia, first ko gid nga Pokemon game nga nabakan is Pokemon Leaf Green. But ang first video na hampang is Pokemon Emerald. Well, ako kabalo ha, nga una na release ang Emerald sa Leaf Green. That's why medyo polished na ang graphics ng Leaf Green. Wanna fight, dude? Wanna fight? Yep. Nice. So we will replace Scratch with a lot of Scratch. Match up. But wala pa flying type move si Bruce, but switch training kita rin. No? Ito lang pag-risk ba si bahabuyon niya tas ang bato. Go! Isa gina sa pinaka-scary nga move ang low kick. Because kataas ang critical hit ratio is na 2, 5 ba? 3, 4, come on. See? Told ya. Hindi na pupadugayan. Okay. So, one thing gid nga kulbaan sa Nuzlocke is ang critical hits. If hindi nyo nibalaan, hindi ba naga-debuff kita sa aton enemies. Like, Tail Whip or pampalower attack like Charm. But once ma-critical hit, ina-ignore yan na. and ma-hit siya full power and twice the damage. Okay, yung trap mo ko de. So one of the things man nga nami sa Nuzlocke, I think mahal gid magbakal revive 1.5 na siya. So in Nuzlocke, you can just focus all your money sa potions. And you need them. If need nyo siya spam, lagi na problema. Importante hindi mapatayin yung Pokemon. And if gusto mo man spam ang Pokemon Center, why gid problema. Maka dishonorable to look on, but then again, this is Nuzlocke. Whee! No encounter, no. Okay, so I think ready na kita sa gym. Hindi ka mo yung fight. Like, dude, nari ka di. Hindi ka di bagay. Okay, Pokemon Center. And sa Nuzlocke, hindi ka na actually, pero may dapat mag-save because usually ka-save kita. Pero kung maperdi, restart, balik kita sa save. But kung maperdi kaya sa Nuzlocke, then you have to restart the game from the beginning. Barry's not here. Okay. So this will be our first gym badge, if ever, in this Nuzlocke challenge sa Pokemon Platinum. Nope. Okay, mag-avoid panugon sa XP. But I think ang mga ga-avoid sa fights are the kung meron kita na sila community sa Pokemon, meron makita sa speedrunners. Hindi ko siya ma-one-hit. Muna na ang scary nga part. I hope maka-learn siya new fighting type move. Level up. Come on. Ay. Okay. So, nag-research ko kagina kung ano mga moves na ari sa gym nga ni, and thank God wala sang earthquake because weakness gid na ni Monferno. Okay, so I mean wala man maobra ang save sa sa Nuzlocke, but just for all time sakes. Okay, nakulbaan ako. Okay. Ready na? Ready na? Okay, let's go. Roark. Oh, free Pokemon. Sabi ba? Okay, level 12. So, I think ang ultimate Pokemon ni Rourke is si Carnidos. And sa anime, ang so kung if ever mag-change ko Pokemon, nila sila ma-hurt. I think, tama. So sa anime, ang signature move ni Carnidos is ang Zen Headbutt, which is psychic. But today I think, I don't know, headbutt lang. Game panuboy akong defense. Scary na. Partially fell pa. Scary to Wala na ultimate Pokemon niya. Okay. Do we need a safe switch? Galing mapatay sa taka-Pokemon. Much better kung wala kita sa casualty. But sige, we'll try. Hopefully maka-endure siya. One hit. So, Mold Breaker. Ano ang Mold Breaker? Mold Breaker Pokemon. So, Mold Breaker is an ability that prevents Pokemon moves from being affected by the target's abilities. So, saan ba siya? So mga accuracy. Ano ba? So, like, hindi siya ka-miss. Okay, so, okay. Tanin na gamit kita taunt, no? Para wala na naugat yung defense. Okay. Hit first. More than half. Nice. We're fighting type, so hindi na masakit, diba? I know. Magamit ka potion. Yep. Yeah. So, ang second gem sa Pokemon Platinum is so next gem will be Eterna, and that will be grass type. So advantage magyapon for Monferno. But we have to try naman si Zubat. So that's a good one. Wala kita casualty sa first na gem. Okay. Let's see. Yay. Nice. Twinkle. So, ito labo siguro ang defense ni Carnidos. Comparing kay Geodude and Onix, because grabbing effect sa Mach Punch okay. Since Pokemon gatalang ko sa real life man. Time check 12:32. So basta na po 12 dapat. May work pa, boss. Sana hindi adulting. Okay. So before we go, Pokemart. So we now have Super Potion, because again, nakita ang isa nakita ka badge. 5 more. So again, sa pick-a-tip sa mga Nuzlocke, always bring antidote and escape rope and repel. Oh, magun. Ano ba ako repel? Magaling need ko encounters. Okay, let's move on. So, map preview. Oh, register ka na ulit. So, why? So, we have to go north. Let's go. So, naka-encounter, nakaligin na, and I don't like it. Dapat ako may berries lagi. Oh, no encounter. Sugad na. So, hindi ko di kasaka. How? Oh, wait. Yeah, I remember. May ano, may something sa cave at ina-block sa rock. Oh, what you want? Well, mayo lang wala siya na ng hagad mag-battle because wala pa ko pang bato sa flip-flop ya or sa bonggoro nag-evolve na. So, I think I'm gonna need a grass type. Okay, I hope may madakpan ako. So, one thing pagkita about Nuzlocke is dapat di ka maging pislian, which so, question though, if Nuzlocke question. It says on Nuzlocke that you can only catch one Pokemon per area. But what if different floors ang cave? Pokemon Nuzlocke. I catch another Pokemon in a different level of cave. Or just one Pokemon per cave, I don't know. So, yeah, there's the answer in Reddit. So, the first answer is the player may only catch the first wild Pokemon encountered in each area and no others. So, that's a bit vague. So, the answer there is a Reddit that each level of cave is considered a different area. So, but you can only catch one Pokemon in that entire cave. So, that answers our question. So, whatever di makita ko subong, hindi ko pwede dapon. Abuse ng Rock Smash. May bike mo sa cave yun. So, switch training natin si Bruce. Okay, let's go. Oh, don't wanna fight? Ow! Come on. Sorry. That means money. So, I think I'm gonna need a bicycle for this ramp. One funny story. Sa Pokemon Leaf Green, natapos ko ng Pokemon League, wala pa ako bike because nagpatigig ko ya 1 million ang price ng bike and I had to save for it. Tapos meron ko ng bike voucher ni makakagaling bike for free. Ang galing. Ano? So, one pack again. Oh, nice callback. But ito ka pwede madako. So, I think this callback already has a wing attack. So, medyo halong ko na. Wow, very bulky. Grabe ba? Nice. So Flash is just a TM here. Thank God for that because sa ibang nga games HM kasi it's very useless. Hindi ba ako nabo mo siya accuracy but aside from that so ifang way is hindi diri hindi yun ako agyan hanggang ginahambal niya naman Barry man yun siya makadto. Oh, sala ako na pindot. So after Orbra, I think need na magbalik sa Jubilife because hindi ko di kaagi kay wala ko bike and I think gaan ka nila. Sayayay. Kaya mo ni Bruce. Nope. May gamay pa lang yung moveset. Yeah. Yeah, may encounter for more XP but nag-isa. What? Sorry, pindot to. So yun, nakuguro ay. So, makaka-capture tagi natin Pokemon. So, ano? So I just check the record pa, and we are. Oh, dark na on screen. What happened? So I think he said may mga suspicious na tao dahil sa Tube Life. Nalipat ko actually kung nagambal siya sa exact location. Ito ginambal ni policeman. Lipat ako, sorry. So magaya route 204 kita. Okay. Magigil. Oh. Actually, check ko bago lang sa Google kung hindi ko makadto. May ka pamate. Really? Kung pang poki, that's nag-away ka da. Grabe. Typical thing, salang makatso ka darot mo. Nice. Double battle. The hair. Wow. Glammeow. Scary one, but we're gonna use a fighting type. That's their weakness. Scary yung evolution ni Glammeow actually. Super ugly. Focusing energy, so I will kill you first. I think Glammeow ni first ako sakit sa niya physical attack. So I think Stunky is more on poison, I think. Hogja. So, oh, sige. Don't have time for that. Okay, so this is route 204. So Anoyhan ang aton madakpan diri. I don't know which grass kita, but fight nila na up. So may pokeball to. So if we encounter something, then amo na yung aton mapa sa route 204. Wala. Sino na nakuha di man? Sino? Nice. Not bad. Parang may flying type na to, pero poison siya. But I think dakpon ka for the purpose of fly. Okay. Ako actually weak na move para sa inyo. Balik na natin kay Bruce. Sala, sorry. Kahit natin sa catch, I think bad. Ball. What? Grabe ba? Baka pwede i-attack gamit si Monferno. Napatay ikaw. Quick ball. Come on. Hindi ka ba na legendary? 2, 3. See. So, one pagkika-purpose, mag-catch ka sa mga like bisan hindi mo sila need, like so Starly. Hindi mo siya need because may ako Zubat is store mo lang sila sa PC because wala na pangayo kasi mabuhinan kasi Pokemon napatay, then may replacement ka nga ready. Really? It's scary ni para si Mugo switch kasi electric attack ka. So again, thing about electric type is beware in using physical moves against them because most of them has the ability called static, and that will cause paralysis. Really? Dude. What? You gotta splash me to death? Of course. I think you're this old rod. That's fine. Good tani ko may flying type mode ka na, wala pa. Nice. Kaya nasa damo siya color ng moves. Taksan ko na lang Fury Swipes. Hina siya. I think need ko lang siguro isa lang with the fire type move, or I need a weak one and a strong one. Okay, how about the Fury Swipes? Move. Nice. It's actually a nice move. Even though accuracy niya is not that good. Tama. See? Accuracy 80 lang. Sometimes they miss. Sleepy. Okay, last 5 minutes. Fight. Fight me. Fight. Fight. Okay. Anyway. Fight! Okay. Cherubi. Mm. String shot. Yeah. I have quick thinking. So it's only 1 minute before 12, so I think this will be our last battle for tonight, and it's a double battle, so Bruce won't have a choice. Oh! That is scary. I think we can supersonic. Oh wait, I think I'll just switch you with something. Because you might die. I'm gonna switch with you then. And flame wheel. I hope wala siya static though. Wala. Yay. Wala. I'm thankful si you, diba? Fairness plastic siya. What? Activate a quick claw tapos ulihi kita? Kakuluya. Yun. Wow. Okay, that's it. So that ends the part 2 of our Pokemon Platinum Nuzlocke Challenge. Sorry, wala ko enough time. But I hope malawi kita boss kay Friday. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Good night. And I hope ma-face on second gym tomorrow.